Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show you about a video today of unboxing from WOPET brand. All information about WOPET brand below in my info box plus 10% off discount. This video is a collaboration with the WOPET brand that I say, and it's a smart pet camera, a dog treat dispenser, which has a camera, microphone, and speakers. Let's do the unboxing first. So this is how it comes when you get in the mail, comes in the box. Inside of the box there is the dog treat dispenser. And it also comes with this cable, instructions book, and right here we have the WOPET device. Now we are at home and we are going to install the device. Look at the button. The device has 4 little plastic things to keep the device stable on the table or floor, or depends on you want to put it. Now let's plug it in. It works with an app on your phone, so you will have to download the app as well, but that was pretty simple, and the WOPET guide or instruction book will help you. Just watch the video and how I did it. We have already installed the device, and now we have to wait for the system to recognize us.
Harry. And successfully.
It's ready. Now we are going to open the app on my phone and let's see how it works. I'm opening the device first and look how it's inside. Now we are going to add some cookies inside, and remember guys, they must be small. Now we close the device and let's see how it works. Wow, the images are very clear in HD. Now let's try the microphone.
Candy, do you want a cookie? Cookie. Galleta. Candy. ¿Quieres una galleta? Galleta. Candy.
Ella es tan inteligente. Stay. Friends, I want to tell you something. I'm using the device for 1 week, and this is amazing because I can monitor to my dog when I'm out of my house. I can speak with my dog when it's necessary, and I can hear everything. And the most important thing, I can give a cookie to my dog. And don't forget all information about WOPET brand below in my info box, plus 10% off discount. If you like this video, guys, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Remember, we have videos every Wednesdays with my recipes, and every Saturday only videos with my dog. See you next time. Bye bye.